Hi, everybody. It's Archimedes and Professor Prophet. We're both here to help you learn some more Alphatales. We're going to get this alphabet down to a pat. You'll love it. And let's start right away so we can get going. Okay, let's everybody get comfy in your chair. Take a deep breath. Take another one. Blow it out. Okay. Now I want you to close your eyes and look up at the top of your brain. Close those eyes. I see you over there, Jenny. Do that. Close your eyes, okay? Close them. Close them and open them. What do you see? It's an S. Big S, little s. Looks the same, just smaller. So it makes it easier for you to remember. And what kind of S word would help you remember it? Not that you kiddos would ever do too many sodas. Huh? A soda? S-O-D-A, soda. Yeah, a soda. And Alphatales today, as always, we think they're pretty fun. Scholastic does a great job. It's called Seal's Silly Sandwich. Well, I didn't even know that seals like silly sandwiches. I didn't know that seals like sandwiches at all. Who knew? One Sunday, Seal invited his friends for supper. Well, that's a good thing to do, see? He invited his friends over for supper. Supper, S-U-P-P-E-R. What's for supper, said Snail. Snail, they crawl along on the ground, yeah. S-N-A-I-L. I'm serving a sandwich, said Seal. Seal put some sardines on a slice of bread. Sardines in a sandwich, said Snail? That's silly. Do you guys like sardine sandwiches? Well, obviously neither did the snail, huh? Next, Seal added some stew. Stew in a sandwich, said Sloth? That's silly. Next, Seal added some spaghetti. Spaghetti in a sandwich, said Snake. That's silly. Well, all of his friends are coming and tell him everything he makes is silly. How many of you guys, gals, have snakes for friends, huh? Next, Seal added some spinach. Spinach in a sandwich, said Salamander? That's silly. Next, Seal added some scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs in a sandwich, said Skunk? That's silly. Silly, silly Seal. S-I-L-L-Y. Silly, silly. Next, Seal added 6 scoops of strawberry ice cream. Strawberry ice cream on a sandwich, said Spider. That's silly. Next, Seal added some salsa and some maple syrup. Ew. Salsa and syrup, said Squirrel. That's silly. Boy, his house, he's got a lot of friends of different species, doesn't he? Yeah. Who's ready for a slice of my sandwich, said Seal. No thanks, said a snail, sloth, the snake, salamander, skunk, spider, and squirrel. That sandwich is just too silly. And they all ran out. Well, let me ask you, kiddos, has someone made a sandwich like that for you? Well, but Seal didn't think his sandwich was silly. He thought it was scrumptious. He ate it all, kiddos. See? It doesn't have to be what everybody else thinks is good if it's your sandwich. Yeah. So, let's look and see how many things on our picture you can see with an S. I see spaghetti. Huh? I see, let's see, what else do we see over here? We see some soap. We see the snails in there. Yeah. Snail. S-A-S-N-A-I-L. Okay, we ready for the cheer? Ready? The S cheer. The S big, S little. Cheer. Got your pom-poms? Here we go. S is for spider, snake, snail, and seal. S is for supersized sandwich meal. Yay! S is for sailboat, smile and sing. S is for spaghetti, seesaw, and swing. Hooray for S, big and small, the most sensational letter of all. Well, it is sensational because it's got an S in it, yes. Well, kiddos, come on back. We're going to have another one because we just love having fun with you. Because if you don't come, it's no fun for me and Archimedes to be in the classroom alone. So come on back. And remember, be safe, kiddos. Listen to your mom and dad. And we love you.